Even if you are the biggest cat person, one thing you might not like is the litter box that comes along with them. Unfortunately, having a cat means having a litter box, and having a litter box means that you will constantly find yourself asking the question of what you can do about the dirty box that sits in your house and completely messes with the aesthetic of your house with all its generic ugliness. No one wants a bad-smelling container of feces in the middle of their living room. Even the most hygienic cat litter box can be a stinky eyesore at times, but how do we take care of this? Pets have to do their business somewhere. After all, the most obvious solution seems to be placing the litter box somewhere you can't see it, out of sight, out of mind, and hopefully nostrils. Well, with the popularity of internet pet bloggers and DIY pet accessories on the rise, there's plenty of creative ways you can hide your cat's litter box in plain sight. Today we're showcasing some of our favorite projects along with several tips to make the most of this cat space, since it's only the best for our feline friends, right? Hidden in plain sight. When space is scarce in your house, you may not have the luxury of adding a new cat box furniture to your home. However, this doesn't mean a hidden box is off the table, rather it's under it. If you have areas around the house going to waste, put them to work. You can utilize the area underneath the side table to store a litter box. To provide privacy for your pet and hide cat's mess from guests, install a curtain using some fabric and a staple gun. Repurposed cat cabinet. This is another great option for cat parents who don't have a lot of free space in their homes. Their repurposed cabinet pulls off triple duty. Not only hiding the litter box, but storing all the pet supplies like cat food bowls and toys out of sight. All you'll need is an old cabinet that you no longer use. You can keep the litter box at the bottom where it's easiest for the cat to access because, after all, you are going through all of this trouble for her. Litter room under the stairs. One amazing idea for giving your cat some personal space to carry out its business is to convert that tiny little space under the stairs collecting dust into your kitty's very own bachelor pod. Throw in some fluffy carpet and pillows and a fresh coat of paint along with the litter box, and you will be lucky if the cat ever leaves its room. Hide the litter tray under the sink. Instead of thinking outside the box, try thinking under the sink. This next idea will not only save you some space, but will also require less handiwork. All you have to do is remove the door of the cabinet under your bathroom sink and place a litter tray under there. Yep, that's it. Simple, isn't it? So, if you aren't the most gifted with power tools, this might just be the hack for you. Make something from scratch. If none of our ideas just quite fit with the aesthetic of your house, try to build something entirely from scratch. Something that is built to fit in with your house. You will, of course, need to know your way around tools and crafting for this project. You can create a litter box with the exact measurements that you need. By custom building the enclosure, you can choose a style and color that goes along with your home's decor. Think outside the box. If you're open to installing a cat door in your wall or door, you can set your litter box up in the garage or on your patio. It's the same general idea of creating an enclosure. You're just securing that enclosure to the garage or exterior wall and giving the kitty an access point from inside the house. Keep in mind, an icy cold midnight potty break isn't appealing to you, so it probably won't be appealing to your cat. And you'll have to access the box for cleaning, so stick with spaces protected from the weather. Utilize old furniture. Do you have a deep bookcase? How about a big armoire, dresser, or cabinet with a large drawer at the bottom? Basically, any piece of furniture has a space at the bottom where you can fit a litter box. If you don't mind cutting an entry hole somewhere in the outside of the piece, you've got the perfect enclosure. Best of all, you can just pull open the drawer for cleaning and refilling. Clean out the bottom shelf to house your litter box. Cover the front with a simple hinged or magnet door, or even a nice fabric curtain. Don't forget to cut a small hole or a door on the side of the furniture of your choosing so the kitty can get in and out easily. Hide the litter tray. You don't always have to construct a super sophisticated enclosure for your kitty's litter box to keep it out of the way. You can always chuck the litter box into a quiet room with little to no traffic, like a bathroom or even a guest room that's rarely used. Well folks, that's all we have for today's video. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to tap that bell icon to keep up to date with our latest content. Until next time, bye!